Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard. As always, my partner is not here yet. I'm hoping she'll be back soon. She is starting to walk around, so that's a good sign. Anyhow, this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Okay, this week is a product review, and it's actually kind of a cool one. It's something that I've never received before, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. And what we're going to be reviewing is this XTU Action Camera. Okay, I listen to my viewers, and my viewers have said on more than one occasion that they don't want to see me actually unboxing things. They said, get on with it. So we've already taken everything out of the box. This is everything that's included. This is incredible. There's so many options that are available. Included are various connectors that allow you to connect to your helmet, top-mounted helmets, side-mounted helmets. You can mount it to bicycles. Most importantly, this actually is a case that you can use to put the camera inside and take it underwater. We'll get into a little bit more details on that. And I'm looking forward to this one here, but this is a remote that you can actually use to control this as well. You have straps, cables, attachments that you can use to lock things down, and you've got a battery, obviously. And it actually came with a 64 gigabyte mini SD card, which I was surprised to see. I thought I was going to have to use one of my own there. The first test is going to be a normal video recording. One of the main reasons that we accepted this for review is because I've always wanted to have some different type views of recording of DIY as we're working on things, and this is something that I think that would be perfect. We went out and bought a little harness that attaches this action camera onto the chest, and now it frees up both my hands and allows me to work on some wood projects and give viewers a different view from our normal camera angles. And it's kind of neat. I can walk around with this and you get to look at the chest high view of the projects that we're working on. So this is what it looks like, and although I haven't got everything lined up perfectly, it's going to take some practice, I'm sure. But right off the bat, I am so thrilled about this one, and it really looks good. Since I'm in the workshop anyways, I wanted to give time-lapse a try and see how well that works. I like the end result. And now to have a little fun. Let's take the camera, connect it inside the car, and let's go around and show you what our life is like living in Hawaii, and at the same time show you the capabilities of this camera. While driving around our beautiful island, let's talk about some of these special features that this camera comes with. As you may be able to tell, it is a very wide angle, and it has a 170-degree viewing capability here. It has a resolution capability that goes as low as 720 all the way up to 4K. Yes, we live on Hawaii. I am closing in on a beach, and I could show you one more feature that comes with the camera. The camera comes with a casing that allows you to place the camera inside the casing and take it underwater. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't the greatest, and I forgot my gear, and besides my wife, who's walking around in a brace and crutches at times, I didn't think it'd be fair for me to go in on my own, and so we just decided to go on a drive. I think testing underwater is going to have to be on a future video. Jennifer and I are both very impressed with the resolution and the clarity of the image that is being produced. Okay, now let's take additional views of Hawaii, but this time we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to use one of the attachments that came with it, and that is an attachment that allows us to connect it to a bicycle. And so we're going to connect it to the bike, take a look at some scenery of bike path that we use on occasion. And the main test on this one here is to test a feature on this one here that has a gyro system for anti-shake. I want to see how good the image is going to be even while riding.
I'm going to really test this camera by doing a little bit of off-roading to see how well it truly works. Although there is some shaking that is visible during this recording, this was actually a seriously bumpy road for the tires that I have on, and the image that came out I am super pleased with. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a lot of this remaining video using the XTU unit itself to see how well not only the video quality but the sound, and see how it works out. So let me talk about a few other features that we're not actually going to be covering. It has a great opportunity that you can install an app onto your phone and then set up the Wi-Fi capabilities so that the camera talks directly to your phone. You then use your phone app and you can control it and actually see what's being recorded on the camera. There may be times that you mount it on your head, your helmet, your chest. There's different things. Yes, I have a little chest strap. It has the ability to do some night vision. Alright, so it has the ability to change all kinds of settings, and you can view from the front of the camera, you can view from the back of the camera, and always see what's going on. So anyhow, this right now is more, like I said, to test the volume itself. I have to say in conclusion that I'm really impressed with this. It's small, it's clear. The sound actually is really good considering you're not putting a heavy-duty mic on it. Is it perfect? No, but it's better than some of the old cameras that we tested out years ago when we first started doing YouTube. The recorded image itself is really, really pretty. It's like, yeah, I have some other cameras, Sony and Canon, and we really like those, but the quality on this is really nice. So overall, I'm going to have to say that this is definitely a must, and I'm so grateful to be given the opportunity to test this and use this, and I'm really looking forward to using this in some more videos in the future. That's all we have for today. Next week we might be showing you some more projects that we're working on, and let's see, I think I got a few plaques that are going on right now. We might show you because they're a little bit different, so we're going to show you how we do that. But until we meet again, bye-bye.